My name is Benjamin, and welcome to the tutorial on how to use the Maggid Shiur Writer Google Docs add-on. So here I have a Google Docs in front of me, and on the top of the page I have the Maggid Shiur Tools button with three items that appear in the drop-down. Replace text, Maggid Shiur Tools, and View Stored Words dialog. So, but first of all, before anything, I'm going to go into what each of these buttons do. But before anything, I want to give a demonstration of the permissions which you have to grant in giving your authorization to Google to allow this add-on to run in your Google Docs. So, for example, if I click on Maggid Shiur Tools, a little window appears on your screen asking for your authorization. Click OK. Click on your account. Click on Advanced. Scroll down. Click on the project and click on Allow. And so we clicked on here again. We clicked on Maggid Shiur Tools. We allowed it to run, and this little sidebar opens up. So so let's just go through the drop down that we have in the top of the page one by one. So replace text will take Hebrew words which were written in English letters, phoneticized and written in English letters. It will take those words and replace them into their Hebrew words written in Hebrew. There's no need to highlight anything. It will scroll through. It will scan through the document for any words that are in the database, phoneticized, Hebrew words written, phoneticized and written in English, and it will replace them with their Hebrew words written in Hebrew, which as they are in the database. The view stored words, if you click on that, a little message will pop up showing you all the stored words that you currently have in the database. So, and then the Maggid Shiur Tools will open up the sidebar. So here we have in the sidebar at the top, we have an add word to database section. So just to give a demonstration, let's take the words Masechta Sanhedrin. So in the first user input field, put in the phoneticized word, basically spell it out in English, including all of its variations. So like uppercase, lowercase, first letter, and separate the variations with a comma. So Masechta, comma, Masechta. And go to the next user input field, put the word in Hebrew, Masechta, add word, and Sanhedrin, comma, Sanhedrin, add word. Now going back in the doc, we can type in Masechta Sanhedrin, and we can click on the replace text button, and voila, your phoneticized Hebrew words written in English, has been replaced with the appropriate Hebrew words written in Hebrew. So now, so let's say, for example, you have, now I'm going to give a demonstration of the replace text with Hebrew letters button in this next section. So let's say, for example, you have some words written in English with English letters, which you want to change them into Hebrew letters, phoneticized, but you don't want to add it to the database for whatever reason. So, for example, Coca-Cola. So you go to the sidebar, go to the replace text with Hebrew letters, click on the replace selected text, make sure that the text is highlighted in the document, and it changes it into Hebrew letters. So the next section here in the sidebar, you have a check the Gematria section. So to demonstrate this, I have here the first Mishnah in Brachos, Tractate Brachos. So you don't have to highlight it necessarily, but you just paste it into the user input field. Click the check the Gematria button, and right below the button will appear the Gematria. The 22,327 is the Gematria of the first Mishnah in Brachos. Below that is the Launch Sefaria button. Let's say you're writing your shiur in the Google Doc, and you have to just reference something. You have a deadline. You're really in a big rush. You can't even think. You don't know. You have a million tabs open on your computer. You need sefaria right away. So you have right here, very conveniently in the sidebar, the Launch Sefaria button. Click on it, and it takes you straight to sefaria. And then here in the document here, I have the first Mishnah in Brachos highlighted, and I will use that to demonstrate this next section here of translate and replace highlighted text and show translation in alert. So in the user input field, you type in the language that you want to see the words translated to. I'm going to first demonstrate the show translation in alert, and then I'm going to demonstrate the translate and replace highlighted text. So here is show translation in alert, and I'm putting in my target language to translate to as English. Show translation in alert. Here we have, so in order to run this, to do this, you have to have the text highlighted in the document. And here we have the translation in English. Let's say I want it in French. Okay, there it is. And now, let's say I want it in Spanish. Translate and replace in highlighted text. So first, it will tell you what the translation is in the alert. Click OK, and it translates it into your target language, which in this case was Spanish. Okay, and then finally, we have here in the top, we have the View Stored Words button, the last one here in the drop-down menu. Click on that, and it will show you all the stored words which you currently have in the database. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you are interested in the add-on. I hope you download it, and I hope that you find it very useful. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.